What's up, crypto people? This is Michael, and welcome to Naked Crypto. Here on Naked Crypto, I'll show you what coins to buy, when to buy, hold, and sell. So if you like money in crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button. So welcome to the episode 8 of Ask a TA. So right now we do have Solana. I've read Solana here. Solana, Justin, and Chili Jufran. Chili Jufrani asked me about TVK. And anyway, before we go to the chart, crypto bubbles, we only have Rune, Wave, SEC, and the Luna still 11.5% up, and mostly red though. CoinGecko today, so we still have Bitcoin is 0.3% up, and Ethereum is 0.7% up. It's just doing sideways today, guys. So Terra is 2.9% up, and yeah, it's just doing sideways right now. So it's not really great. Phantom is 6.4% down though. And Thor Chain is 15.8% up. So let's see. The up gainers of the week, we have Thor Chain, Waves, Zcash, Terra Luna, Stacks, Monero, SNX, Dash, and Butt. And of course, top losers for today for the week, we have Humans.ai, Anchor Protocol, Phantom, Juno, FXS, Radix, Chili's, Avalanche, and Shiba. So, guys, before we go to the chart, if you can smash that like, that would be appreciated. It helps the algorithm. Let's go to traditional market first. We'll check Dow Jones and the Dow Jones. We talked about this one last time. The Dow Jones, it broke on this ascending channel, which is a bearish pattern, and looks like it's also creating a head and shoulders pattern. Let's go to the 4-hour chart, and so let's see if this one will break on this trend line here. But so let's see. I think it will form. Let's see, guys. It's currently it's creating like a megaphone pattern, but it's also creating a descending channel, which is a bullish pattern. So let's see, guys, if this one will break to the upside. And S&P similar pattern, descending channel. This could be a bullish pattern. So let's see. Let's see if this one will break to the upside. And Nasdaq, one is US 100, similar pattern. So let's see how deep though. So we might still see the price go down here, somewhere here at 50% or 0.618. So let's see, guys. It's creating a descending channel. So similar to Nasdaq, we might still see the price go down here at 50 or 0.618. Yeah, so it has to break on this trend line. Yeah, we are at war, guys. So usually stocks go down because people are panicking. They want to convert their stocks to cash. So DXY, this is the US dollar currency index. So it's pumping because people are panicking. They're selling their stocks to convert it into cash. So yes, that's why the price is going up. And gold is pumping since I discussed this cup and handle since before it pumped, and now it's here. So you might still see the price of gold go up, all time high right now. Plus, it could be already all time high, $2,000 for gold. And oil almost all-time high also. Daily, on the daily though, we have this. So it's having a pullback for oil, crude oil. So we might see the price go down here at 50 or 0.618. This could be a good buy. It could be. So yeah, if you wanna diversify it also, try crude oil and gold aside from cryptocurrency. This could be a great buy here. 87 $87 for crude oil. So it's up to you guys. Crypto market total cap. So we're projecting to go up here, or it might go down here. This is we are on this rising wedge, which is actually a bearish pattern, but we might see one more pump here. Market total market 2, which is excluding Bitcoin. Similar pattern. We might break to the upside, or if not, we break to the downside. Crypt total 3, which is excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Possible one more pump or go down. And the Bitcoin dominance is actually in a inverted cap and handle, and have this also inverted cap and handle here. We predicted the drop. We predicted that the pump also here, and now we are creating this ascending channel, which is actually a bearish pattern. So let's see the price go up here, and before we go down. If Bitcoin dominance price go down, it's good for altcoin. So right now it's rising, so that's why altcoin is hurt. Okay, Bitcoin on the monthly chart, we have this wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. We are already on the fifth wave. So just to let you know, guys, we are on this ascending channel, which is a bearish pattern. And yeah, we are already on the fifth wave. So something to be aware, guys. This could be on the lower degree. This could be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. We could be on a truncated fifth wave. So this is a truncated fifth wave. So something similar, a little bit lower than the wave 3. Or it could be a flat formation here, guys. Double top. So we have this double top here, or yeah, truncated fifth wave. So let's see, guys. So if that case, we might see ABC correction here. So not really great for Bitcoin, but we might still have a chance to go up here. So that would be our bullish scenario somewhere here at 200k, 100, yeah, 200k. On this leg here, on this leg, this could be our wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So we have this ABC correction here. So if you have an ABC here, so our we could have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. We are already on the fifth wave here. So we are now looking for ABC correction. So ABC. So this could be, we are already on the C wave. So our bullish scenario, guys, this could be our wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So let's see if this one will play it out. That would be our bullish scenario, but bearish scenario could be a bearish flag here. Be a bearish flag here, guys. Bearish flag or pennant, whatever. So just to be careful, guys. See, we have a support here. So that will be a bearish scenario. So 30k for Bitcoin. Bearish scenario. Bullish scenario. Yeah, somewhere there. Yeah, somewhere there, guys. 64k. 65k. Bullish scenario. And Solana for Justin Solana. Yeah, Solana, guys. Yeah, Solana, this could be a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and we are going for ABC correction. So I'm expecting the price to go touch this neckline here to form a head and shoulders pattern. And after that, we might see the five waves to the upside. Yeah, almost, guys, almost touching this neckline here. There you go. So I just readjusted, guys. So we're aiming somewhere here at 63 $63 for Solana. And we go here 200 and go for a C. But after that, we might see the five ways to the upside. So yeah, that's my price prediction for Solana. Yeah, I've been talking about Solana since here, guys. Since here, going down. Okay. Okay, GALA, head and shoulders pattern. It already touched the neckline. So actually, it's kind of already below the trend, the neckline. So head and shoulders pattern, another head and shoulders pattern. So I was expecting now ABC correction. So just be careful in GALA and Luna. We have a truncated fifth wave, so ABC correction here. And then I'm still expecting the price to drop. ABC correction. So yeah. So let's see, guys. I could be wrong. Phantom looks like similar to Bitcoin here. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. We are already on the fifth wave. And we have this, looks like a flat formation here, ABC. But I'm projecting ABC correction, bigger ABC correction, and we have this head and shoulders pattern. So the head and shoulders pattern. So I'm predicting the price of phantom to go this neckline here. So I'm predicting somewhere here at let's say 50 cents. 50 cents for phantom. Yeah, I know guys. My TA is bearish, but what do you do? This is what the chart says, but I could be wrong, guys. I'm just sharing my idea. I could be wrong. Not really great for crypto. I know, guys. Nobody wants a bearish scenario, but it is what it is. Oh yeah, Chile Jeffran, KV TVK. Okay, Chile Jeffran. Okay, Chile Jeffran, TVK. Okay, Chile Jeffran. This could be we could be on a triangle. So this could be A, B, C, D, E. So let's see, guys, if this one will play it out. We might see it to go up now for the D. So but I could be wrong, guys. So triangle elliott wave, so 33333. So let's see, let's do the count. So this could be our ABC. So three waves count, 33333. Could be our three waves up, three waves down. So we're expecting three waves up and three waves down. Okay, there you go, Chili Jafran. And after that, possible go up, but I could be wrong, guys. There's no guarantee. So guys, if you find this video valuable, just give me a thumbs up. New to the channel, just don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if there's cryptocurrency you want me to just comment down below, and I'll do the technical analysis for free because I love you guys. And for now, trade safe, invest well, my friends, and I love you.